Hi, Namaste, and welcome back to another video. I am Gowthami, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, I heartfully welcome you to my channel. In this video, already I think you have seen the thumbnail, right? So many of the people are waiting for this video. Yes, that is, they can understand English 100%. Yes, each and every word they can understand, and the meaning of that particular video or of that particular movie or of that particular sentence, or if they read any text, they're able to understand it very easily. But the problem is that they are not able to speak, they are not able to express their opinions, they are not able to tell what they feel in a particular situation. You know, if you are in a situation where you are not able to use a particular language, then there is no use, even if you have a lot of knowledge on that particular language. Yes or not? If you agree with me, put it in the comments. So in this video, I have come up with some of the interesting solutions that are going to work out for sure. This video is the continuation of the part 1. I am going to put the part 1 video, which is really for basic learners, in the end screens. Please check it out if you are interested. And now coming, why this problem arises is that so many people have self-doubt. They doubt themselves whether they will be able to speak English fluently if they start speaking. That is the first break where people are getting stuck. So, first of all, what I want to tell you is that, first of all, remove that, erase that from your mind. Always be positive. Whenever you want to speak or whenever you want to tell your opinion to anyone, first trust yourself and believe that you are not going to make any mistakes, or you are going to speak English fluently and you will be able to tell your opinions very easily to the other person. So, first of all, believe in yourself and just be positive. That is the biggest mistake so many people are doing. They are stopping themselves from speaking because they are afraid of speaking. And other thing is that they are afraid of the judgments of other people. What other people would think if I mispronounce a word? What they would think if I do some grammatical error? See, expectation for perfection of speaking a language is a very wrong notion. You need to stop it at least now. It's almost year ending, right? So please take out that notion that other people are going to judge me if I make any mistakes. Your mistakes are going to make you improve in speaking English, right? So, whenever you want to tell anything, just speak out. If you speak out, you'll come to know about your mistakes. You will be able to correct them, right? So, don't be afraid of your mistakes. Don't feel hesitant to make mistakes, first of all. Even I make mistakes, right? So, these are some of the things that you need to remember that will help you and motivate you to speak out English. The first important thing I would tell you, if you want to overcome this problem of you are being able to understand English but you are not able to speak, is that maintain a set of vocabulary. Okay, you need to know at least some set of vocabulary and some sentence structures. Okay, you need to know those. You can learn some sentence structures which are in a particular format. They are like prefabricated structures. You need to understand that if you want to speak English easily in any situation, just take out that situation and try to do a rehearsal. Try to be in that particular situation and write some of the sentences, so that it will be very easy to you when you are in that particular situation. What happens is that your brain will not struggle, your brain will not stress you to use which sentence or what to speak at that particular situation. So learn some of the sentence structures which are really important and some of the prefabricated structures. Okay, these prefabricated sentences, so that they would be handy to you. Okay, in the same way, try to learn some of the easy phrases. I like English phrases a lot. Do you know that most of the time I love to use specific phrases? Yes, these phrases are very handy to you and you can use them in a particular situation when you know them. Okay, so try to learn some of the phrases and expressions that are very commonly used. Actually, there are two types of phrases, that is basic level phrases and advanced level phrases, right? So first of all, try to master the basic level phrases. Okay, how are you? I'm good. Is everything fine? Of course. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the market. Did you bargain? No, I don't like to bargain with the vegetable vendor. Okay, it's a good idea because they don't earn too much. I feel that market prices are reasonable compared to the supermarket prices. That's the reason I won't prefer to bargain with the vegetable vendors. So in this way, try to take up a situation and create sentences on your own automatically. It will be really nice. It will be really good to improve your English speaking skills. Right now at the marketplace, this situation I thought in my mind and I started speaking. Like two persons are there, right? So try it. With practice, it will be very easy to you. Okay? So, and another thing is that when you learn a particular phrase, try to use it as much as possible. Okay, if you are not going to use it, you will definitely use it within a very short span of time. Okay, phrases, words and expressions are like birds. They are going to fly away if you don't use them. The more you use, the more they are getting connected with your brain. They get connected to your brain in such a way that you will be able to speak out that particular phrase even when you are sleeping. Then it is very hard for you to forget it. So whatever it may be vocabulary or it may be phrases or it may be expressions, idioms, whatever it is, whatever you learn, first of all try to use it as much as possible. Otherwise you are going to forget it and you will not be able to recollect it. You will not be able to memorize it. Okay? The next second thing you need to understand is that you need to start writing. Write a diary or write a journal, but make sure that you are writing in your own words. Okay? Writing diary is a very good idea actually. I started writing diary when I started speaking English. Yes, before that I don't have a habit of writing diary also. Trust me, I don't have a habit of writing diary or I don't know about journaling or anything else. But I started writing diary and I started journaling, not in a perfect way, lightly, when I wanted to learn this particular language, English. Yes, writing diary helps you a lot because you are going to create sentences on your own. Then it will be very easy to you to create sentences and to speak sentences when you are actually speaking. The time gap between creating a sentence while you are writing and speaking is different, right? While speaking, you don't have a lot of time to reply. You need to reply the other person within a short span of time. But while writing, there is ample time for you to think. There is ample time for your brain to process the sentence. So, the more you write, the more it will be easier for your brain to process the sentences and create sentence structures on its own. If you practice writing regularly and create a habit of writing diary or journaling, then it will be very easy to you to speak out English also. Good writers are always good speakers. Yes, if you are able to write correctly, then you will be able to speak fluently. Mark my words. The next thing you need to do if you want to speak English is that you need to start thinking in English without translating. Okay? The thing is that so many people still translate. So many people still find it difficult to use words. They don't recollect words very easily. It takes a lot of time for them to recollect a particular word in a particular situation. They will strive very hard to recollect a word. See, when you start thinking in English without translating this language, then it will be very easy to you to speak English. You will automatically become fluent and sound fluent and attractive while speaking English. Okay? So, try to think in English. Picture description method is one of the best methods. Okay? It may not be a picture. Just describe whatever is around you. You can just describe the situation now you are in. For example, I am in a closed room. I locked the doors of this particular room because I don't want the noise to come inside. I switched off the fan also. And now the time is almost 6 o'clock in the evening. Yes, I have a light in my room, and in this room I have a bed. There is a sofa set, a cupboard. I am sitting in front of the cupboard and I close the windows with the curtains. The curtains are grey in color. Okay? In this way, you can describe what you are able to see. Okay? On the bed, there are 2 pillows and a shawl. Whatever you see, just start speaking. The thing is that you must speak about each and every specific detail that you are able to see now. Okay? This is what in the situation I am in. If you are lying on the bed while watching this video, you can tell I am holding a phone in my hand. I am watching this video and I am lying on the bed. Okay? I am in this color t-shirt or I am in this color dress. In this way, you need to describe your surroundings and the position you are in. Okay? Or else you can try another easiest thing is that just summarize this video. Yes. After you complete watching this whole video, summarize this video and write what you understood in the comment section. It is enough. A very small effort is going to add, is going to sum up and bring you massive results. Nothing is going to happen in a second or in a minute or in a month or even in a year. Yes. If you put and if you pile up your efforts, then only you will get results. Commenting is a very, very, very small thing. But no one of them do it. I don't know why. It's up to you. You may be shy or you may be an introvert person. It's okay. But at least take your rough book and try to write down what you understood from this video. Okay? In this way, you would come out of your comfort zone. Okay? So, start thinking in English. Whatever you are seeing, describe it in English only. For example, if you are watching a chair is in front of you, then your mind must tell you that it is a chair, but not that particular word in your native language. Okay? So, when you train your brain in such a manner, then you can speak excellent English. Trust me, this is what I did for months. I practiced picture description so many months. Yes, it will help you. It will help you to improve your English. It will help you to reduce your grammatical mistakes. It will help you to speak English fluently. I hope you have watched that video. If you have not watched, please watch that video. The next tip I would like to give you if you want to speak English fluently is that speak every day. Every day. There is no chance to skip this process. Please start speaking and speak every day. Speak every day. Even if you make mistakes, even if you forget words, even if you are not in a situation to speak, please speak. Please speak. I know it is really hard for you to speak, but you need to do it. You need to do it. Yes. All these days what happened has happened. Just leave it. But from now on, the situation is in your hands. The time is in your hands. Just believe in yourself and start speaking. Okay? The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become to speak this particular language. The only reason why so many people are not able to speak is that they are not willing to speak. In brain, they will think very easily. They can write very easily. Yes. But while coming to speaking, they don't allow themselves to come out of that zone. Okay? So please try to speak from the day one itself. Okay? Please start speaking from today itself and at least speak for 5 minutes. I'm asking you to speak only for 5 minutes each and every day. Each and every day. Okay? So I hope you will do it for sure. Okay? Don't give me any reason that I don't have 5 minutes to speak. Please try to spare 5 minutes to speaking each and every day. Okay? And the last and final tip I would like to give you is that come out of your comfort zone. All of you people who are able to understand English 100% but not able to speak, the main reason why you are not able to speak is that you are confined in a particular zone called comfort zone, where your mind is relaxed, your heart is relaxed, and all your senses are relaxed. You don't want to come out of this particular zone because you feel uncomfortable. Do you know that the more struggles you are facing, the more situations you are facing that make you uncomfortable, the more comfortable you will become later on. So try to overcome those struggles. Try to come out of your comfort zone and face those struggles. Come out of your comfort zone, which is stopping you from speaking English. Okay? So this is all for this video. Meet you soon in the next video. Kindly watch the video which I put it in the end screens. Thank you so much for watching till the end.